Our old friend, the E39 540i BMW, has returned. It's not doing too well at the moment. After a successful 3 months being on the road after my last repair, it's now decided to blow out all of the engine seals and piss out all of its oil in absolutely every location possible. I'm assuming it's going to be a failed PCV valve. We've never changed it, and he's had it for a few years now, so that's my number one culprit. So I'm going to order that and change all of the required seals. At the same time, while the engine's apart, I will drop the lower pan to check if there's any bits of timing chain guide rail in there. Hopefully not, because I really don't want to be doing that much disassembly. I just want to get this fixed and back on the road. I don't want it sitting around here too long.